don't want to hit you. Have you tried to enter your password?
Please be ready, Rookie of the Year for Live Wire Wrestling, Jack Brooks.
I almost got it. I was close. It had numbers in it, right? Yeah. I'm almost there.
And the last participant in this triple threat match, Canadian Bacon himself, Ryan Reigns.
I can't afford it. I don't want to do it. I love this damn.
Yeah, sucky inconvenience.
You fucking suck. Oh, shit. Fuck you.
Don't talk to me like that.
Hey, man.
Fuck you.
We have baby ears.
Ding, ding, ding.
Thank you. That's what she said.
You weren't too smart that show.
Take your beanie off, kid.
I think you should go back
I'm
home.
in this match.
Why are you in the
Sit in the corner. I am part of this triple threat match.
You should sit in the corner.
Somebody get in the corner!
Sit in the corner. Sit in the corner. Sit in the corner. Sit in the corner.
Sit down and shut the fuck up!
You had like 2 people.
Yeah, woo! Yeah! Pull your head down. Hey man, I'm fine.
I was in this match.
You couldn't do it last show, you couldn't do it now.
Nobody asked your opinion.
Hey, how about I come give you my tough guy on the bench?
You're right, I am.
Not very tough at all. Not very tough.
That's my drum ball.
Come on, Cruz!
Let's go, Cruz!
I had Papa Smurf ass.
More like Smurf Ed. Why kick someone in the dick?
And you sit back down. 41 is Don't whine.
Are you serious?
Nobody likes to whine.
Yes!
Yeah, bro. You mad, bro?
This is bullshit.
Holy crap. You mad, bro?
I don't think they want you in this match, man.
You're like a puppy that doesn't listen.
You dumbass!
I'm losing myself. Are you serious?
Just stop.
I'm glad this is not.
Get him again, Cruz.
Give the baby the water. Get him, get him!
There you go. Smooth bounce. Like a house. And that's where the big boys play.
What are you fucking Rikishi's faggot son or something?
I don't know. You tell me there. Up and down.
Wow, that was really manly. Push him in the face.
Oh, come on, Cruz. Don't take that.
Get your fat ass back in there.
Up in the bitch, get the ring. You want to be good getting beat these two.
You almost threw it. Someone say something. Walk it dry, man. Walk it dry.
Now kick him in the face.
Bill, this Muppet cat back loose.
Yeah, dude, come on.
You guys suck. You guys do whatever.
Hit him.
Chill. Oh Christ.
Beat his ass.
That's right. Ah, damn, that looked like it hurt. What are you doing?
Cruz, watch him. He's getting some. Get on him.
Look at that smile! Look at that smile!
Why don't you everybody
Yeah, look at that smile! Isn't that pretty?
Smack him on the butt. Actually, smack the rest on the butt.
Woo!
Somebody smack the ref's ass.
This is a no-go. This is a no-go. Too much work. Take him in the face.
Yeah. Yeah!
Somebody hit the ref's ass!
Whoa, wait a minute. It seems as though the people should go in.
That's
You know,
the GM.
Hey, Mickey Free is a dude! Mickey Free is not a dude! Mickey Free is Prince! Yeah! Prince of the Revolution! Yes! Mickey Free is a dude! Mickey Free is not a dude!
I have a proposition for you. You defend your lottery championship tonight. Against
Hey, I'm not medically cleared to wrestle nobody. First up.
You're not medically cleared to do shit.
Hey, do it! You see the limp?
Hurt. You can't make him do that.
See the limp?
He re-injured it sliding in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got on this.
Pee-wee.
You okay?
Yeah, forget your
Not good at making-
Bam! He's bam! Yeah!
We can beat him.
Talk to you. Hey!
Nobody likes
You shoved me! I am the rookie of the year! You don't shove me! I do not need your help!
We saw the movie. That's fine. Yeah. Whatever. Go on.
What are you talking about, movie?
You don't have to.
Before you were born.
What movie are you talking about?
That was good.
That was a good movie.
I need your help out here!
Go.
You did not have to come out here. I had that handled! Alright? I was getting them, and then you came in. Then you came in and stopped it all.
Wait.
I blame you for
Even
doing
the
this.
dick.
That's all I'm saying. It's your fault. I'm gonna.
Blame that on me. Yeah. Yeah. Mickey Free's a dude. Smack the ref on the ass, damn it! That is very disrespectful. Now you wonder why nobody will fuck you.
Word.
Count.
1, 2, bam, 3.
Play my music. Play. Damn music.
You know, tell her.
Smack her on the ass. Cruz, smack her on the ass. Cruz, smack her on the ass. Somebody smack her on the ass.
I was gonna leave about the sexual harassment.
Okay. Alright, let's get out of here. Woo! How about you cheer louder, you fat mother?
How about you give the left side
How about you wear black socks with your slacks? You slack ass. Looking like a rabbit, motherfucker. You're the Pee Wee Herman of the rabbit world.
Fuck out.
Should call you something else.
That was bullshit.
Your mother's bullshit.
No, that was bullshit.
Just love her like this.
Hey, look! Hey, yo! Hey, walk away.
What took my hat? What took my hat?
Someone took your hat.
I bet you ate it, didn't you?
I probably did.
Go home.
Tastes like shit, just like your career.
No, you're shut.